We did it! Yay! 90 subscribers! Woo! Celebration! Oh my gosh! What is that in your shoe?
A ponytail.
Ah! In your boots?
Yeah.
That is just...
It's only in my wardrobe.
Oh, that's good. We will make it then. Good thing. We are currently about to go over to the Army Surplus Warehouse store. And I've got my daughter, Imagine, with us, or me, with me. Say hi, Imagine. Hi. So we're gonna go over there and check this really cool store out.
Mommy, I want some paint.
She wants to see if we can find some paints today.
And to paint my bedroom.
So she can...
Daddy will like it.
She wants to look at paint for her bedroom on the bus and get samples. So...
Samples paint from my room for my quiet room.
Yes, everyone needs paint. But first, we're gonna go over here to this Army Surplus Warehouse where Mommy's gonna try to look for a metal trough. We'll see if there's one here. So let's check. Good night, J House out. All right, here we are. Ooh,
So guys,
Army Surplus.
Guys, I broke my chin at Great Grandma's.
She broke her chin. Oh, let me see. Let me see your Band-Aid. Oh, poor little girl. We're here.
Don't see me.
Look at that cool thing back there. We like the Army Surplus store. So we love our Army Surplus store. They always have all sorts of really cool stuff that we're gonna have to show you guys. Ooh. Look at that cool army hat. Imagine, go check it out. Go stand under it. I wanna see. Let me see. Woo! Pretty cool. We're looking for what? We're looking for paint. I don't think they have it here. We're gonna have to go to a hardware store. Yeah. Well, okay. We can go look, hey? Let's go look. Thanks. You are such a good... Look at this place. Oh my gosh. Okay, we're looking for paint, she's saying. What kind of paint are you saying?
Pink and blue.
Ooh, Imagine, look. Look over here. Look at these big crystals. Those are pretty cool. And I also saw shark teeth over here. Look.
Look, Mom, they have blue.
Look, they have real shark. Yeah, they have real shark teeth. Look.
They have a pink one.
That's a pink one? Oh my gosh. Here, why don't you take your hood off? Look at this shark tooth. That's a real live shark tooth.
Look, Mommy, they have a darker one.
That's really pretty. Let me see. Let me see. Put it in my hand. Oh my gosh. And look, that's a real tooth from a shark. Can you believe that? We're looking in the back. Ooh, Mommy likes that coat very much.
Look, Mommy.
Ooh, I know, it's beautiful.
Let's go.
We're gonna keep looking. Oh my goodness. That is just... Go check it out. Let me see. Oh my gosh. Don't open it. Look, there's an axe right here. Don't, yeah, that's real. Don't pick that up. There's an old tank. That's a pretty cool truck. Okay, so this, I just saw somebody recently purchase one to use inside of their bus, which I didn't think you could use outdoor stoves inside, but I could be totally wrong. I wonder how much it costs. Oh, there is the price. 200 bucks. Eee. Maybe. Here, what'd you find? It's like a big giant tent. Ooh, and we can, oh, 50 bucks for these tiny mattresses? That's a smoking deal. What are the sizes? Here, sit up on there and see if you like how it feels, because that's about what your bunk mattress is gonna be. Sit down. Sit down. Let me see. How does it feel?
Good.
Lay down on it, because that's how big your bunk mattress is gonna be. These are great, and they're only 50 bucks. I just gotta measure it. I'm not gonna flip you off the mattress, silly. Here, lay back down. I wanna see. So this is a 4-year-old on a full-size mattress with plenty of space to grow. And this is how much space she'll have in her bunk, the top part of it where she's sleeping. And then she'll have all the space underneath it. What is that? Is that a coyote or a bear skin? I think it's a coyote.
No, I think it's a bear skin.
Oh, I think you're right. Anywho, well, that's cool that they sell these here for 50 bucks. That's super cheap. So that's a great find.
And they have
Do you think we might need those for the bus?
yeah.
There's so many. I didn't know that they carry. Oh, and look, they got piping too.
Yes, they do have them.
Oh, they use it for tents. Okay, look at all this stuff they have here. Look at all this stuff. Ooh, careful. Who knew that that Army surplus store had a whole section of nuts and bolts and different things? I mean, who needs Home Depot at this point? So cool. Okay, so we pretty much had to walk through the whole store to find a possible tub situation. Oh! Oh, don't put it on. It might get stuck, but those are cool. They're not bracelets, but they're like bracelets, huh?
Yeah,
All right, let's go look at the barrel outside. So we're thinking about doing a barrel now for the tub, but I have to go look at it. So this must be what they were talking about, saying that they're brand new, but to me, these kind of look like crap. Get to back. Now the ones right here are cool, and then you got these big giant ones over here. And I was thinking about maybe doing this for tub. I gotta get the dimensions.